Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So you're probably here today because you are looking for new affiliate programs in 2021. Well, I have just one for you today, and it's pretty new. As of making this video, guys, this program is only about 3.5 weeks old, guys. And it's called the 10x Income Program, the 10x Income System, guys. 10x Income System by TaviD, guys. And this has the potential, guys, to have you earn unlimited $297 commissions, guys, over and over and over again. That requires no complicated setup, no experience or tech skills needed, no waiting for results. However, I do think there's a little bit of waiting, guys. Of course, there's a setup process, but I definitely think that results come a little bit faster with this program, guys, because of the methods and strategies provided. Now, a little bit about Tabby D, guys. She's been working online for about 5 years now. Has built her own online agency, digital agency, guys, where she's helped over 100 different businesses become six or seven figure earners, guys. And she has already helped thousands and thousands of people, guys, in modern money, guys, and just how to be successful. If you don't know who she is, I would highly recommend doing some research on Tabby D. But back into the program, guys. Autopilot traffic daily, lifelong traffic, 100% passive. Stop failing and finally break through, guys. Now, what does all this mean? Why is everything passive and automatic and done for you? Sounds kind of weird because nothing's going to be totally automatic and going to be giving you money left and right on autopilot, guys. Um, I will say there is work to be done, but let me explain. So the reason that this is all automatic, guys, is because Tabby D is actually a Google traffic expert. She puts together these traffic packages in the program, guys, that you have the option to leverage, guys. So once you purchase one of these traffic packages, guys, and become a member of the program, you can basically leverage these leads that Tabby D has already collected, guys, and have them come straight to your affiliate link to potentially turn into $297 commissions. All right. Now, this is not a free program, guys. This does cost money. There's actually quite an investment. So this program actually used to be $997. And by $997, I don't mean $997. I mean $997, guys. But recently there was a huge price cut. So as of right now, it is $297. I do not know how long this will last, guys. But I assume it will not last much longer. All right. Now, this might seem a little steep for some of you who are still getting your feet wet in this type of business, guys, in the whole affiliate make money online business. But check this out right here. 365-day money back guarantee. So what this means is if you take the risk and decide to invest 297 right now, it could be a week from now, 2 weeks from now, or maybe a month or 2 months, 3 months, 12 months in the future, when you are a member, you always have the option to get your money back at pretty much any time. Now, I think this is a huge thing that Tabby D is doing for all the new members, guys. And she is doing this simply because she is so positive, so confident that people are going to get results with this system that she is willing to give a complete refund to the members and actually take a loss for it. Now, I have personally been a member for about a week and a half now, and I do not know anyone in the members group who has used this money back guarantee, guys, because it is working for a lot of the members here. Now, I will provide links to this page in the description of this video, guys. If this was helpful in any way, let me know. If there's anything else that I could have covered for you guys, also let me know. If this content was helpful in any way, also let me know. If you want to see more of it, subscribe, like, and subscribe to this channel, guys, because I will be talking about more of Tabby D and the 10x Income System in the future, guys. So thanks for watching again. I appreciate all the support. See you next time.